Hi everyone, in this video I will show you a tutorial for Substack for beginners, guide to starting your newsletter. So first, go to the Substack website. Here, you have to sign into your account or log into your account. After you log into your account, go to the dashboard. And as you can see here, you can complete these steps if you haven't completed it yet. But you can go directly to create a new post. Simply click on this new post. Press on text post. And here, you can add your title. For example, let's input how to. There you go. Here you can add a subtitle. Now, you can add a guest byline collaborating on this post. You can list your collaborators in this byline. They will be notified via email. You have your tools here for bold, adding pictures, videos, and many other things. You also have here a bulleted list, numbered list, and many more. You can even add a code block, divider, financial chart, footnote, latex, poetry, and a poll. After that, you can preview it by clicking on the preview. You can click on test if you want. After all of that, click on done, and that's it.